Hello everybody and welcome to a weekly update. Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today is going to be about my weekly update on the Cryptohopper, and I'm going to show you what changes I performed last week. As you see from the title, I named this one again the first weekly update because I actually didn't only run the signals this time but also set up a strategy, the Profit Scalping Premium. It is basically the strategy version of the signals I already bought from DEX. As you see here, I was having the profit scalping signals, and now I have the profit scalping strategy, which I started exactly last Sunday after I uploaded the last video. The results are not as good as I expected them to be, but this is because Bitcoin made a big jump last week. I'll just quickly show you my stats and explain to you what the problem was and why I probably gonna change from trading with Bitcoins to trading with US dollars or USDT. As you see here, on the 5th I had a solid 0.02 Bitcoins, and then going to the 6th it dropped by a lot. And if we look at the overall Bitcoin chart, on the 5th, Bitcoin was going in the area of 31,000 euro, and then the next day it spiked to almost 34,000 euros, so it made a plus of about 10%. And since I'm trading with Bitcoin and I was holding a lot of altcoins at that time, the majority of my positions dropped. That's why I'm probably going to switch to trade to US dollars and stop trading with Bitcoin, because the USDT is of course way more stable than Bitcoin. But if you also see the dollar chart basically didn't change from the 5th to the 6th. I still made a plus, but it of course just looks very bad when I compare it with the Bitcoins. Also, I had to make some adjustments, and this on the 31st was about when I started with the new strategy, so it went up. Then I was trying to make some adjustments and was going pretty sideways. And here I made the last change on the 4th, and as you see it was going up. Then came the big spike, and now it is, for the past day, it's also going a bit sideways, but still making small profits. As you see, it's a really small upward trend. And I hope that as soon as I sell all these positions that I'm still holding, as you see I'm holding some of the positions for 5 days, 3 days, 2 days, 2 days. These are all from the big spike, and I hope that once I sell them off I will start making more profits. Actually, I think I'll just manually sell them off so that they are open again to be rebought and make more profits. I also set up a little drive file where I will keep track of my results. As you see, I have the overall weekly plus, so I made 85,000 satoshis, or is it satoshis? I'm not sure. 580,000. I don't know. I made 0.0003 Bitcoins so far. If I check that. That would be about 19 euros or about $22. So the overall results, I'm making about $22 on a $550 investment in 1 week. I think is a pretty solid return. And yeah, I of course had the big spike in the Bitcoins, which led to me not making as much as I was hoping to receive. I will of course keep the hopper running, and I think my settings for the strategy at the moment are pretty good. I might adjust them a bit more, and I also think I'll just sell off these 4 coins. I'm actually gonna do it now because they are just blocking my tradings. They are all in the minus, but it will still not affect my overall profits, because in here these minuses already calculated in, so I'm not gonna drop any further. As you see, I'm still at 0.94, and I actually wrote down 0.93. So actually I even, since I wrote this down about half an hour ago, I made even a bit more profit. So I gotta say, I'm overall pretty happy with this bot and the way it's performing. I will keep it running and I will keep updating you. As you see, they came in, but still my overall profits didn't change a bit. So this is good, and I think that's all for today. If you have any questions or have any suggestions or want to see my settings, how I set up this bot, I would gladly share them with you. And else, we'll see each other next week and I will post more updates. And as always, I'll leave the referral link to my hopper down below. If you feel like signing up as well, please do that. I would of course gain a little commission if you sign up under my name, and that would help on my journey to get my first Bitcoin. As you see, I'm just about at 2% of my goal, and I hope that I'll reach it by the end of this year. So goodbye and have a good day.